We're here in Mykolaiv, which is a southern territory area city that is very close to Kherson. It's kind of where we get our supplies, and then when we go into Kherson, which is the closed city that we have to have military permission to get in, and it's very temporal based on what's going on right at the time. This is one of our ministry partners that we work with down here, Life Ministry International, which all Ukrainians, but they kind of help us navigate, get into the right places so we're serving the right people. And again, trusted partners that we've had since even before the war. I worked with this group doing some camps and some other things here. But it's interesting right now is an air raid siren. So what is especially interesting is we're actually trying to find one of the warehouses that they're quite familiar with. It's their warehouse, and because GPS isn't working, and our driver's not super familiar with this city, we can't get to the warehouse, so we're trying to locationally get there. They shut the GPSs off during air raids, so bomb tracking and that sort of thing. And it's really not that they shut it off. They make it look like, in fact, we look like we're in Lima, Peru. So the time changes on our phones. And when we pull up a location on Google Maps, it shows we're in Lima, Peru. So definitely not there. But anyway, so again, just other things that add to the complication of serving here while war's going on and while they are trying to defend. So just another interesting thing. Covet your prayers. God bless you all.